Welcome to this tutorial video on the Birdview app for Microsoft Teams. The integration is included with all Birdview licenses at no extra charge. In this tutorial, first we'll show you how to install the Birdview app in Microsoft Teams. Then we'll guide you on how to turn your Teams chats into actionable Birdview activities, how to create new tasks, how to search for Birdview items directly from Teams, and more. Let's switch over to Teams and install the Birdview app. First, sign into Teams and click on the Apps tab. Type Birdview PSA in the search bar and select Birdview by Logic Software Incorporation. In the message bar, you'll see a new prompt with a button that offers to connect your Birdview account. Click the button and enter your Birdview account name. If you're unsure what exactly your account name is, check your Birdview URL. The word located between https and go.easyprojects.net is what you need. Now, when Teams and Birdview are connected, the very first thing that we recommend you do is to pin the Birdview app in your menu. Once logged in, you can start creating and managing your tasks directly from Teams. To convert a message into a task, hover over the message, click the three dots for more actions, and select Create Task in Birdview. Fill in the task details such as name, project, description, and click Create. Just like that, your task is created in Birdview. Let's click on the View task to validate that it was created. You can also create a task directly from the team using the powerful Birdview bot. To do this, go to the Birdview bot chat, click on View Prompts to the left of the message line, and choose Create a Task. Additionally, you can display Birdview activities by posting links to them in Teams. When you paste a link to an activity, it will automatically generate a card with visible details such as the name, status, and assignees, which other users with relevant permissions can view. You can also search for and add tasks and project tasks into your messages. To do this, click the plus button, select Birdview PSA, and find the relevant task or project in one of the tabs. The activity card will then be added to your message. This integration not only enhances collaboration, but also ensures that all team members are updated with real-time information on project statuses. The Teams bot features a built-in notification system. When a notification event occurs, you will receive it through your Birdview chatbot. To set up your notifications, go to the chatbot and click the Notification Settings button in the Quick Suggestions area. Stay tuned for upcoming Birdview updates to get the most from Birdview integrations. Feel free to share your suggestions and feedback with us at success@birdviewpsa.com.